hum my stethoscope on a peg in the closet. 30 years of listening to rattling lungs in the war. Drips and catheters, goodnight calls in the rain. Watch kidneys fail slow and hearts give up the strain. Now I grow living fences, dig me ponds, planting food forests, keep the wood piles stacked. But I still feel the pulse of a country half sick. Same old fever, running thick and quick. They're howling on screens, swearing it's true. Red team, blue team, same fever running through. Same old sickness, just a different name. Fear and doubters playing the same old game. They tell you who's the enemy, who's your friend. Turn brother against brother till the fight won't end. I've seen it in the ICU and out in the street. When the crowd starts roaring, truth can't find its feet. Politicians holler like a dog in a trap, urging us a hit by cars, same old claptrap. One side screams freedom, the other screams law. Both got their paws in the same old drawer. They split us like a litter in a cold wire cage, make us small and snap while they turn the page. I held dying dogs that never cared if the collar was red, blue, or just threadbare. They're howling on screens, swearing it's true. Red team, blue team, same fever running through. Same old sickness, just a different name. Fear and dollars playing the same old game. They tell you who's the enemy, who's your friend. Turn brother against brother till the fight won't end. I've seen it in the ICU and out in the street. When the crowd starts roaring, truth can't find its feet. I sit by a pond, my wife and I built slow. Since the 70s we watched these acres grow. They want me angry, they want me afraid, want me picking teams like it ain't all play. But I felt the last heartbeat under my hand, seen the light go out in eyes that understand. Nothing about borders or flags or who's to blame, just the quiet that comes when the fighting's the same. So I'm mending my gates and praying for rain, trying to keep steady through all this pain. They can shout their slogans, wave their signs high. I'll keep these animals fed and these fields dry. Same old fevers burned through before, took the weak and the strong and rattled the door. I ain't buying the cure they're selling today. I'll just live quiet till it burns away. I've eased enough last breath to know the real sickness and always in the patient. Sometimes it's in the noise, to me the dirt, the critters, the morning light. And maybe, just maybe, things will turn out right.